I'm Dave Strand. You know I run the best asphalt seal coating company on the planet. Well, in the evening I go out on my motorcycle and I write estimates. Yesterday I was getting my bike ready to go out on my nightly ride when my foreman called me and said, "Dave, we've got a big problem." We were seal coating a warehouse yesterday morning, and about 2:30, 3 o'clock, my crew called me and said, "We're done here. What else would you like us to do?" Well, I've got a stack of driveways that I just can't get to, so I just pulled one off the stack and I said, "Go do this driveway." They got to the driveway, they prepped it, they filled the cracks, and they started to spray it. And as soon as they started to spray it, they cracked a line right in this pipe right here, this delivery pipe, and it sprayed sealer all over my customer's house. My foreman was head to toe sealer. This was the biggest mess I had ever seen. Had sealer all over the truck, had sealer all over him. Right now I've got my crew and they're over at the house and they're using oil flow and a hot water washer to get this sealer off of this girl's house. I've been in business my entire life and I have never ever shot a house. This is a first for me, but this pipe just broke right here and just spewed sealer everywhere. In a future video, we're going to tell you some of the reasons why I do not recommend anybody getting into this business. All right, you know the drill. Subscribe to my channel so Google sends me more money.